Hi everyone, my name is Rachelle and I'm the artist behind Wildflower Beauty and Brows. In this video, I want to share with you just a few of my favorite brow products that I've been currently using and obsessed with. If you're looking for some new products to achieve a perfect fluffy brow, keep watching. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to go ahead and use the Perfect Frames brow product called Perfect Fluff. It gives a very nice brow laminated look. Use your clean spoolie, just grab a little bit of product and then just brush your brow hair to the direction that you'd want your brow hair to go. You can also use your fingers to lay it even flat onto your skin so that way it gives that nice brow laminated look. And for myself, because I do have lighter tails, I either take my brow pencil, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and then I do also like the Morphe brow pencil, which is also a fine tip. I use chocolate mousse. It is also very affordable, which I really like. And when I do use this, what I like to do is just go into the direction of your brow hair using a flick motion and then using your spoolie to brush out the rest of it. In addition to your brow pencils, if you're looking for a little bit more saturation or if your brow hairs are really light, I usually recommend the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. This one is chocolate, and you're just gonna get a little bit of product and then run it through the end of your brows. You can also do a little bit on the front if you'd like, but you only want to touch the brow hair, not so much your skin. Lastly, if you want some more lift and openness, I highly recommend the Highbrow from Benefit. They do have 3 different colors to suit your skin tone. I'm using an old one that I've had forever. They do last a very long time if you don't use them every day. But I love these, and what I usually like to do, I start from the front of the brow and applying just very little to create some shape and form like that, and using my concealer pencil and just using the tip of that brush to blend the product. And then I'll usually like to brush down into my shadow. You can also use your fingers to blend it seamlessly into your shadow. So this is your final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you.